So, and I had that with Vadim. Yeah. So in this case, let's say the height of this, the total height, right, would be 2400. We will have total width here would be, let's say, 3000. But also what I need in this, I need this height, let's say 2100. And what's important, where it starts bending to this point, I will need, 600, 600. That's the sizes I need for those combination arches. I need total height. I need to know where this bending starts, where this bending ends. Okay? I guess that's it. And it can be half a circle, it can be whatever, but we need to know the total height. If you don't know if that's a half circle or not a half circle, just give me the total height.